base sa mga player tapos serve na ang quick serve sa bola. Then officially ang rally must start na. The ball out of play. The moment a referee blows their whistle to signal a fault, it means the ball is out of play. But if the referee blows their whistle and any reason rather than the fault, consider the potential ang ball is out of play. In short, the whistle blows the ball is out of play. It doesn't matter why the whistle blows. If it's either time out pa or foul. Basta pag whistle na ang kanang referee, it means the ball is out of play. Ball in. If during rally tapos hindi mo kuha sa opponent side ang bola but it's landed completely inside or mismo sa boundary line, consider na siya game. Ball out. The ball is out if it touches anything outside the line, like the ceiling or any person isn't supposed to be touching the ball. And also the ball is out if it touches the antenna, the ropes, or the net itself. The ball must go over the net and stay with the specific area. If it goes over the net but outside the area, so the ball is considered out.
Okay, so play the ball. So each team has played. So saan ka ba nakikita? Nalimutan ko, each team is within the playing area and space. So each team must stay within the playing area and then enter to the opponent's side. So the ball is whenever we retrieve from so we retrieve the ball. So giving it for its limited contest. Player may not keep the ball time consecutively. So player is not allowed to keep the ball 2 times. So they are only allowed to keep the ball 1 time. So a player must touch the ball. Another player must touch the ball and then a player can keep it again. So simultaneous contact. So every player will touch the ball at the same moment. So 2 or 3, so bawal siya, ika-4 na player ang 1 to touch. So assistive kids within the playing area, player is not permitted to take support from a team, unit or any structure. So a player is not allowed to use objects or any structure objects para maka-gain of points. Yes. Okay, so 4 kids a team, hit the ball 4 times before returning. Iba kadalasan sa tuwa is, ibalik ang ball, ibalik tatbura ang isang ball. So, kadalasan, so, ikaw pati lang ay naibalik ang bola. Assisting kid, a player takes support from a team or any structure. The rules
say the volleyball must go within a specific area and below the top, then between the antenna and below the ceiling. So if after the first hit goes into the opponent's court, then back, and okay siya as long as 3 hits lang siya.
Yes.
Ball touching the net. So while crossing the net, or while crossing the ball into the net, okay siya na mag-touch sa ball ang net as long as okay siya na mag-touch sa ball ang net. Then ball in the net. So ini siya ay if ang ball ay kanang is driven to the net, it can be recovered 3 hits. Then pagkakuman kay if the ball reaches the mesh, ma-replay ang kanang game.
Yeah. So service, the service is the act of putting the ball in the play with back right player plays in the service. So act of putting the ball into play, this is how the point starts. So if you are the server must be positioned at the service line. So first server in a set, the first server of the set as well as the deciding which set is distributed by the team to the midfield. So kinsa to kung in the first beginning pa, kung kinsa to ang mag-first set, so magpapa na sila first piece, mag-tossing points. If kinsa to unang
Dogs ay kinsa tong una makadaog sa tossing coins mo to sila muna nga serve. So in the second set, kung kinsa tong wala naka serve sa first set, mo na po to sila sa mo na po sila serve. So, and sa deciding set, which is the fifth set, same process sa po sa first set na mag-tossing coins sila. So the player must follow the service order according to the line of sheet. After the first serve in the set, the player serves determined as follows. When serving team wins the rally, the player or his serve substitute who serve before serves again. So this means that the serving teams, if ang serving teams wins the rally, isa itong ka-serve sila, muna po din siya ang serve balik. So next, when the receiving team wins the rally and gains the right to serve in a place before actually serving, the player who moves from the front right position to back right position will serve. So if the receiving team is sila kung naka-gain of point, well, dira na po sila nga mag-rotate na sila. Dira na mag-serve na serve. Ikaw mag-serve na po sila. Execution of the serve. At the moment of the serve, if take off or a jump serve, the server must not touch the floor. The end line included in the floor outside the service zone. So if you are the server, you must be responsible that hindi nyo pwede ka matouch the line kaya na siya violation of this whole line. And before you serve, dapat dito ka musulod. Before you serve, dito ka musulod. After na yung makaserve na ka. The server must hit the ball within seconds after the first referee whistles for service. So, ang service na siya 8 seconds violation, malapas ka sa ball na ball. So, dapat dili ka makuha lagdan sa 8 seconds nga second ang Next is authorization of the service. The first server will try to serve after having checked that the two teams are ready to play and the server is authorization of the ball. So it means that the first referee will be tanaw sa niya if ang Picas na team is ready na ba to get the ball. So yun na siya. So dito sa rin siya mag-authorize na mag-serve ng server. So the ball shall hit one hand or any part of the arm after being close or released from the hand. So it should be one hand that yun ang pwede touchable, hindi siya pwede duwaan natin. If dapat siya i-release din ang bola before the back serve.
Ang screening ito namin during the service. Ang team serve mo ilang serve, ang po natin mo kay sila mo screening, kumantay mo pa natin screening sa during service. Wala sa mga screening. The votes made during the service is those votes made during the service kanang hindi mga votes sa service kanang sunod ka out of position, the service violates the service order, does not execute the service properly, wala na proper pag-execute sa serving position, as does not oppose service rate after the ball was
Touches a player of the serving team or fails to cross the vertical plane of the net completely through the crossing space. Goes out, passes over a screen, serving faults and position. So matawag ko siya nga faults kung ang bola kay mo gawa sa playing surface or sa line o matawag siya ang fault is the serving faults and position. Serving faults and positional faults. Because if the server makes a fault in serving, matawag ko siya ng fault kaya ang serving kasi kinahanglan siya proper ang pag-serve. Kung sa'yo kang serving, then malan pa din siya sa out of the playing surface or playing area, matawag ko siya ng fault. Instead, if the execution of the service is incorrect, pero kung proper man galing ang serving, proper man ang serving, tas ang pagland sa bola is not landed on the playing area or playing surface, matawag niya po siya ng fault kay the positional fault has taken place first and in this function. So ma-allow to siya ng fault or mag-fault siya ng fault kay sa'yo ang pagland sa bola. Even if ang pag-serve is proper.
Characteristics of that athlete. So all actions direct the ball towards the opponent to the exception of service and block are considered as attacking. So meaning that anytime a player tries to push the ball to other team's side, the normal and attacking, hindi na siya matawag ng attacking pag when a player is serving or blocking the ball. Then during an attack, if it is permitted, always the ball
Which are the black attend, the black, o the black. Ang black attend sa mirror, nag-attend ko lang siya ng black sa ball. And ang middle black is kung na-touch na niya ang ball, so na-touch na ang ball sa blocker. Ang blocker black is 2 or 3 players na nag-try to block sa net. Next, back contact. Then second play at continuous contact with the ball, may have more by 1 or more blockers, provided that the contacts are made during one action.
If knocking, the player takes her hands with the arms, and then provided that the action does not enter into the opponent's state. It is not related to the back behind the net and the opponent has an executed attack. So if knocking, dapat ang kuwano ang block dapat ma-enter sa actions para mag-block. A black contact is counted as a case, but simply after that, contacts the case decided as a case that supportable. Dapat case lang para i-return ang ball. The first hit after the black is executed by any player including one who touched the ball and ball broke during the run. Blocking the service, the black, the opponent's service is also
Brad.
so for winner and blocking for the service. So blocking po. So blocker touch the ball in the opponent's service or the opponent's attacking. So ang one ang blocker na attack na one siya ng
Brad.
consider siya as a hook. After here, the convince the black and participant is also as the blocking post. Blocking opponents in the service.
Brad.
The ball is sent out because the black on the gawas ang ball, then blocking balls siya po na siya. Blocking the ball, the ball is placed outside of the antenna. Pag gawas ang antenna ang ball, balls siya po na siya. Pero atin sa individual or collective blocks as also a blocking ball.